Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will show the example of NodeJS MongoDB, how to define schema, how to compile schema model, and how to save model to MongoDB database. Last video we have shown how to connect Mongos with Mongo database. So in this session now I will show how to define schema and compile schema and how to save model to the database. So here is the Mongoose database open. This is the connection, and this is the open is successfully connect to the database. Now here I will define the schema. Define schema bar. Our schema name is book schema. Mongoose dot schema. Here the schema object is suppose name is this is the type string, price, number, quantity, number. So here is our book schema. Book schema has three object properties: name, string type, and price, number type, and quantities number. So this is the book schema. Here we can define the book schema. Now compile schema to model bar. This is the book mongoose dot model. Here is the model name. So our model name is book, and set the schema to the model book schema, and third parameter is the collection of MongoDB collection. Suppose our MongoDB collection name is bookstore. So here write bookstore. Here is our model. A book model is defined by here is the book schema, and this is the collection. This bookstore collection we will insert the book model. So now I will show how to save model to database. Save model to database. Before that we need to set instance of book model, a document instance bar book1 new. This is the book model. Here book model. Here set the data, suppose name, introduction to Mongoose. This is the book name, and set the price, the number 100, and quantity set the 50. This is the book model data. This is the book model data object, and we have set data to the book1 object. Now this book1 model set to the database. book1 dot save callback function error. Here is the model. If error, then return console dot error, otherwise show the console dot log book dot name save to book store collection. By this way we can save model to the database. Now we will run project. Node server.js. Here is the showing. It was showing the database connection successfully and showing the introduction to Mongoose save to Bookstore collection. Save to Bookstore collection. So here showing the model saved to database successfully. Now we will check in our MongoDB database it saved or not. You can refresh. Here showing the document one. Click the Bookstore collection. And here insert successfully. Here showing the name, price, quantity, name, introduction to Mongoose, price 100 and quantity is 50. So is saved data successfully. Now I will show how to multifold document insert. Here is the only one document in one document of book model. Now if we insert the multiple document, here is define the array in array set the document to one. If need multiple, document to one. Two, three. We can change the name. Book one, price 200, quantity 10. Book two, price 500, quantity 49. Book three, price 300, quantity 25. Multifold document insert by Mongoose Schema model. Now we can run our project again. Node server.js. Here the showing undefined bookstore. Save to the bookstore collection. Here past is undefined because we have set the multiple document. We can run again. We can check the database multiple document insert or not. Refresh. You can run again. So here is the multiple document. If we set the multiple document, then we need to this is the book model, and this collection dot insert. Then our books model, here insert the book models and callback function error. This is the documents if error, then return console.log error, else console.log multiple documents inserted to collection. If we want to multiple document insert to collection by MongoDB, MongoDBs, then we can use the model dot collection. Here the book is our model name, and here is the collection dot insert. Here is the schema document, and then callback function. Now we can run our project. Node server.js. So here the showing multiple document insert to collection. Now I will check. So here multiple document inserted successfully. Here is the book, not showing the data. Simple, the showing error. So book. Sorry, we need to set the model if we want to multiple document insert. Node server.js. Now we can check again. Now insert successfully. This is the book 1, book 2, and book 3. This three document insert successfully to the MongoDB database. If we insert multiple documents, then set the document in array. So document 1, document 2, and document 3, and set insert by the book collection book model collection dot insert. And here is the array document, and finally insert. If insert successfully, then show it this message. So in this section we have learned how to define the book schema and how to insert the single document and how to insert multiple document by Mongoose to MongoDB. Thank you.